This is the USS Edson, and today we have rented the ship out for an entire night of airsoft. Recently, I had been asked by my good friend Zazpeak to be a cameraman for his modern-day Russian reenactment group. Grupa Lidnoy and Tursk attend events like Milsum West as Russia's VDV and naval forces. Today, I am taking photos and videos for their groups, meanwhile recording clips and taking photos for my own channel of my 1990s VBSS loadout. The USS Edson is a 4 Sherman-class destroyer, launched in 1958. The Edson is most known for its time during the Vietnam conflict, in which it supported U.S. troops by shelling NVA ground fighters. While escorting the 3rd Marine Division, the Edson was struck multiple times, and the NVA assumed they had sank it, as it disappeared behind a smoke cloud. Other than its time in Vietnam, it carried out a few rescue operations and many training operations. Sadly, in 1988, it would be decommissioned. However, this was not the end of its life. In 1990, it was designated as a national landmark. Far away from the Pacific Islands, it now rests in Bay City, Michigan, and serves as a museum for others. What was once used in war can now be toured by the public, offering not only the average experience like any other museum with multiple displays, but also seeing exactly what life was like for sailors in the small, compact hallways of this ship. I myself am extremely grateful for this experience, as the staff was extremely accommodating for letting us record and use a boat for all of our reenacting needs. I also have to thank Zazpeak for inviting me, as this was one of my main goals with my VBSS kit. I was able to get quite a few amazing photos of my kit and a lot of great footage that you guys will definitely be seeing soon on this channel, and here's your summary now. I tried not to include too much of the bean footage, as they will definitely be posting either before this video drops or quickly after it. In the description, I made sure to include links to all their social pages and such, so please go give them support also. Anyways, shorter video for today. I just wanted to post an update on what I've been recording and its amazing opportunity. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.